Hi, this is Brother Barnes. Do not edit and save all of your Pearson online work in Canvas all at once. Do not do that. I, in fact, did not do that, but I, in fact, kind of did. I actually did a trial to see that it would save properly, and so then I went and did all of it, and then whenever I tried to save it, it said that I had dates wrong. None of the dates were wrong. Nothing was highlighted. And then when I clicked through that, then it said I had to refresh the page, and then it reminded me that once I refresh the page, I will lose everything, which I did do that. Reminds me of Word in the 1990s. It did not have any autosave capabilities, and so I went back just a moment ago to check it, and it did just fine. So make sure that you do Pearson in small pieces, in pieces that will not make you miserable inside once you lose all of the work that you just did. So let's do one right here together, and let's just make sure that it goes. Now, I have also learned a pattern of how to do this where this will work best. So start at the bottom right and put your due date first, or it's actually availability to students. Then go to the due date, Thursday. Then go to the due date. Yes. And then go back and load this for the day that you want it to be available to your students. Now, what I have learned is if you do the due date first and then until 2nd or later, this will be 11:59, and then this one will be 11 o'clock. And so when you go to save it, there will be a discrepant event and it won't work. So let's see if this works. Yes, this works fine. Little attainable pieces at a time, and not all at once, please.